Welcome for our Campaign Planner Best Practices demo. So let's open our Campaign Planner. It lives at the campaign level, so you have two options to open it. The first one from your campaign dashboard, if you click on the tool and open the Campaign Planner directly, or if you're already in your campaign, you can find it under the three dots at the top right corner. This tool is your best friend when you want to work on your campaign strategy regarding forecasting, optimizing, and negotiating with your influencers to make sure you're going to match your budget and take the most from your influencer programs. This overview is a direct access to your campaign's backstage with all the details you need regarding your KPI and the formulas we use to estimate and deliver the most accurate multipliers for your campaign. So let's dive in and let me talk you a bit more about our multipliers. So we've developed these multipliers using our own research of over 10,000 anonymous data points across influencers of all size and vertical to come up with a true industry average. These multipliers are unique for each platform and will give you an accurate estimation of your KPI for influencers who are not authenticated. So as an example, for an authenticated creator, these multipliers will take 30% of the followers of this influencer to estimate the impressions for an Instagram post. Then we also have the projections. So projections are the estimated performance for influencers before the campaign starts. So to build a forecast tab and help you plan and optimize your campaign, we project 80% or 90% based on the different platform of the historical average for each creator. Now, if we move a bit down, we have 4 different tabs here. So the historical tab is the historical data and known performance calculated on the last 90 days for each influencers. Then we have the forecast tab, which is an estimation of the performance we can predict by influencer based again on the 80% projection we apply on the historical data we have. So this tool gives you the ability to see total expected forecasted followers, reach, impression, and engagements for a project that you're about to run. And you can also see how the totals changes based on the influencer you're gonna activate. So if we come here and change the amount of posts we want an influencer to produce, we're gonna have the data and metrics automatically updating here. So this can be a great tool when you start planning and optimizing your campaign based on the influencer you're gonna activate and the amount of posts you want them to produce. We also have the actual tab, which is the current data we get from live posts in your campaign. A very interesting tab as well and tool that I really love is our payout planner. So this is probably one of the most valuable tools for agencies, for example, and a very helpful feature to help you work on your margin and deliver clients' expectation at the same time. So for example here, if I want to work on a CPM based on impressions, and I have a profit margin of 30%, and I sold a target CPM of $15 to my client, the payout planner will tell me that I have to target this CPM to make sure I manage my budget and keep my 30% margin. So for this example, I have all my estimated payout per post per influencer based on their performances. And if I input, for example, here a desired payout for this creator of $2,000 for 5 posts, the platform will automatically tell me how much this represents in CPM. And based on the costs and the payouts we accept and negotiated with the creator, if we agree on a $2,000 payout for these 5 posts, I will still be in my target CPM of $10. So this will give you an overview of how you can negotiate with your creators to make sure that you complete the CPM or the KPIs, including your margin, and you can stay in your campaign budget. Another very interesting formula we created and developed is our social media value or earned media value. So we believe that this value as a metric can encompass paid, earned, and owned media through social channels. It's a monetary value assigned to a post based on the value of followers, impressions, video views, comments, likes, and shares. Our formula for social media value is based on industry-leading trends and white papers. So it consists of assigning different monetary values to key metrics at a social post level for each social platform. Another incredible tool is our benchmark. So this is where you can add your expectation and track the performance based on this. So to see if you reach your engagement that you predicted, or if your influencer delivered the amount of posts you wanted them to deliver, this is going to give you the exact idea of how you predicted you would perform for this campaign or the KPI and posts you sold, and how you delivered compared to these predictions.